Namaskar, welcome to Devyagya. In this video, we will be learning Chalan and some Taan or Toda on Raag Bihag. The Bandish, the Razakhani Gat of Bihag I have already uploaded. I will share the link of this video again in this description. You can learn the Gat from that video. So, starting with some Chalan. Chalan means where you get a picture of the raga. Some phrases of the notes is called Chalan. Means kaise chalna hai, how we need to walk grammatically along with those notes on that particular raga. So in Bihag, as you know, we use both Teevra Ma and Shuddha Ma. So starting with first Chalan, as you can see, there are around 9 to 10 Chalan. I will be playing only 1 and 2. Rest, you just follow the notes and you try to play. So starting with first Chalan, as you can see, it's Nisa, Gama, Pani, Sare, Sani, Dhapa, Mapa, Tivrama, Gama, Gare, Sa. So Nisa is lower knee. Underneath you can see the dot. Nisa Gama, Pa Ni Sa Re, Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Pa, Gama Ga Re Sa. These Chalan you can also use it as Taan and Toda when you will play this Gat along with Tabla. So first Chalan is what did I play? Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa re sa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa. I'll repeat it again. Now coming to the second Chalan is Ni sa gama pama gama gare sani sa. So ni sa gama pama Tivrama gama Shuddhama gare sani sa. So repeat it again. Ni sa gama as I have many times I have said in my earlier videos that regarding this fingering, see if you notice from pa I am coming back. Ni sa ga ma pa ma. I am not using my first finger. Why? Because from pa I am coming back to the previous note. So we will use this middle finger. Ni sa ga ma pa ma ga ma. Again ma with middle finger. Why? Because we will come back to the previous note. Ga ma ga re sa ni sa. Repeating again. Now the third one. Ni sa ma ga pa ma dha pa ma pa ga ma ga. Ni sa ma ga pa ma dha pa ma pa ga ma ga. So here also the fingering is very important. Ni sa ma ga, middle finger, pa ma dha pa ma pa ga ma ga. As you can see the third Chalan, Mapa Gama Ga, you can, if you want, you can also add Mapa Gama Ga Re Sa, like Pa Ma Dha Pa Ma Pa Ga Ma Ga Re Sa. You can add to it. As you can see, there are around 9 to 10 chalan. I have played only 3 of them, so rest you try it yourself. Now coming to the taan or toda. I will play the Razakhani Gat of Bihag again, and we will play some small taan, a cycle of 6 beat, 8 beat from sum to khali, khali to sum and sum to sum. So as you can see, the notation of Razakhani Gat starting from 7th beat. And I'm just switching on the electronic tabla, teen tal cycle of 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. We clap, first clap on 1, which is your sum, second clap on 5th, 9th is khali, we don't clap, and 13th we clap again. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is a cycle of 16 beat teen tal. What is the bowl of teen tal? So, dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, na, din, din, ta, ta, din, din, dha. Some say tete din, din, da also. Right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ready? Dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, na, din, din, ta, tete, din, din, dha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. So, it is very important to understand this tal also. Doesn't matter you don't play tabla, but you should have the knowledge of this basic tal. There are many basic tal. So, though we play most of the composition in teen tal, I will also write the theka and share the theka of teen tal to you. So now coming to Razakhani Gat, this Gat starting from 7th beat, I'll play sthai, antara and coming to taan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll share the link of the previous video again where you can learn this gat. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Antara. Now coming to first small taan or toda of set of 6 beat starting from sum. So as you can see the first taan, it's nisa gama pama gama ga re sani. Then sani is your gat. So how to play? Sani sa. Again from sum. Nisa gama pama gama ga re sani sa ni sa mama ga pa. Now coming to, you can see another taan of 6 beat, you can try it yourself. Now coming to taan from sum to khali. What's the first taan? It's ma ga pa ma dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni sa. Starting from sum. Sa ma ma ga pa. Now here you will not play sani, the 7th and 8th note of this thai, Because in this sani you are playing the taan. You are playing the toda or taan of 8 beat from sum. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ma ga pa ma dha pa ma pa. Sa ma ma ga pa. Repeating again. Ma ga pa ma dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni sa. Sa ma ma ga pa ni sa ni pa ma ga ma ga. Again. Now there is another taan. From Sam to Khali, you try yourself. Coming to the next taan, which is from Khali to Sam. Now, in this gat, means in this thigh first part, ni note is your Sam. Sam means the very first beat of tal. So now, if you set any taan from Khali to Sam, remember you need to come to ni. Like pa ni sa ma ga re sa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni is a Sam. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa ni sa ma ga re sa ni pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni pa ma ga ni. So how to play? 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ni is your Sam. So this way you try other taan also from Khali to Sam. Now coming to Sam to Sam. In one avartan means one cycle taan along with short tihai. 13, 14, 15, 16. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa re sa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni sa. Till 11th beat is your taan, and from 12 there is a short tihai. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa re sa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni sa ga ga ma pa pa ni sa ni. You need to come to ni because ni is your first note. Ni is your Sam in this Raag, in this Razakhani Gat. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ni sa ga ma ni sa re sa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni sa ga ga ma pa pa ni sa ni. Now let me come to the last taan or toda. Is a cycle of 2 avartan. Means one cycle taan and the other cycle of the tal is your tihai. So ni sa ga ma pa ma ga ma. Now ga ma pa ni. Now ga ma pa ni sa ni dha pa. Second part. Third part, ma pa ni sa ga re sa ni. And the last part, ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni. Now we will play it without any break from Sam. Ni sa ga ma pa ma ga ma pa ni sa ni dha pa ma pa ni sa ga re sa ni ma pa ga ma ga re sa ni. Now from sum again we will add the tihai. Tihai, as I said, any phrase playing 3 times is tiya or tihai. So what is your tihai in this taan? Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni gap. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa ni gap. Ni sa ga ma pa ni sa. This ni is your sum. So ready? Only tihai. 1, 2, ni. Now let me play this taan and tihai together from your sum. So repeat your gat, Razakhani gat, and then come to the taan. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you try to play all these Chalan and Taan, and on my other Riya session video we will practice this Chalan and Taan along with your electric tabla set on teen tal. So thank you very much. Keep watching my channel, subscribe and like it. Thank you.